Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking Essentials. Confirm your Android version and ensure you can access settings. Open Settings, tap Display, then Screensaver or Lock Screen depending on OEM. You're doing this now because system and app locations differ. Once found, you'll see which app is acting as the saver. Make sure to note any third-party app names before changing defaults. That identification makes the rest of the removal faster and prevents accidental system changes. Once you've identified the saver, set Screensaver to none or pick a safe built-in option to stop ads immediately. If the ads come from a third-party app, tap its entry and choose Uninstall. If Uninstall is blocked, force stop and clear data, then revoke Special Display or Overlay permissions. If the app came pre-installed, disable it and remove notification privileges. Make sure to reboot after changes to ensure the system no longer loads that screen. Finish by rebooting and confirming the idle screen shows no ads. Verify lock screen and ambient display settings too. If an app was disabled rather than removed, make sure it cannot auto-enable by checking app permissions and battery optimization exclusions. If ads persist, run a reputable malware scan, check for device admin apps, and consider a factory reset only after backing up data. If reset is required, you'll remove deep system-level adware. Otherwise, notify your carrier or OEM for persistent bundled apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.